I have curiously considered this matter and do remain alive to the fact that the main petition shall be heard and determined by a duly designated magistrate, and that I am only called to exercise my jurisdiction under Article 165 of the Constitution. I am in agreement with the applicant that Article 178, Sub-Article 2B of the Constitution gives room for a county assembly to discharge its duties even in the absence of a speaker. In view of the matters which have been raised in this matter and which are pending determination, and in view of the provisions of the Constitution and the law, I'm satisfied that this is a matter which interim orders need to be issued in the first instance. To that end, the following orders to be hereby issued. One, that pending the designation of a magistrate to hear and determine this petition, prayers 3, 5, 6 of the notice of motion dated 4th of September 2017 do hereby issue. For avoidance of doubt, the first respondent, Boaz Okoth, is hereby restrained, whether by himself or his agents or his servant, from holding himself out as a speaker of the County Assembly of Migori or conducting any business of the County Assembly until further orders of the election court, and that the second respondent is hereby restrained from advertising for the election of a speaker or conducting election of a speaker of the County Assembly of Migori until further orders of the election court, and that the second respondent is equally restrained from forwarding for gazettement the name of the first respondent as the elected speaker of the Migori County Assembly until further orders of the election court.
Clerk of the Migori County Assembly had decided to use crooked ways to have somebody else be purported to be elected as a speaker when the actual person who was leading and the votes had been counted. Then finally the goons came and threw out the members of the County Assembly, and the clerk went on pronouncing the person who had lost as a speaker. And for that reason, we came to court to seek orders for a declaration that whatever they did was illegal, null, and void.